I don't know if this is important. You probably throw it away. All right. Oh wait, what am I doing? You said the front. I'm about to go to the wrong wheel. Honestly, I'm kind of glad it's the front. Cause you got so much weight back there. Oh, I would have came and got it.
No.
I'm kind of glad it's the front because you got so much weight back there.
Yeah. There's too many shit there, man. I think so I will done today like 9 and stuff, and I have to go back all the.
What time did you start today?
What time I start? I go there 10:45. I start 10:45.
So you've been driving all day?
Yeah.
I thought you just started when I spoke to your boss.
No man, I start 10:45.
Oh, this thing is all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive?
I think so, front.
Oh, it's front-wheel drive.
Because they are European car, you know? Do you know?
Oh, unibody, yeah.
Yeah. I am from this same car. Fiat, here Dodge, but they look same, everything is same.
Yeah, I know, cause Fiat took over Dodge shortly after Mercedes got rid of them.
Yeah.
The spare tire looked bigger than the regular tire. Oh, that should be enough.
Yeah, tires look bad too.
Yeah, they bold as shit. This is.
You know what? Winter we driving same shit, and when we stuck, it is our problem. Like, why you stuck? How I cannot start with that shit?
Yeah, that's a bold ass tire. You're not doing. This would definitely get stuck. And if it had new tires, you might have a chance. But honestly, with all the weight that y'all be carrying,
yeah,
they should have just made it rear wheel drive.
It should be all-wheel drive, you know?
Yeah, that too.
Work.
Yeah, all-wheel drive. Hopefully this will fit in the back somewhere, cause hopefully there's enough room to get it back there. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. It got these little guide hole. Yeah, it got those little holes on it. Hold up. To hold the tire in place. All right.
I know it is hard when it's not holding anything. You have to like catch it.
Nah, cause usually when I do a Mercedes or a BMW or a vehicle that got the things that go in,
yeah,
I usually sit the wheel on the lip. But having these little pins right here,
making so much easier.
yeah.
When I'm doing BMW too, I am like first putting one, trying to put it on, you know.
Yeah.
Because nothing is holding that shit.
Well, on some of them, there's a little lip on the rotor where you could sit it. But it depends on the wheel too, because not all wheels could sit on that lip.
Yeah.
So, oh, actually, I'm gonna just throw this on.
I think so. One of them is okay.
Huh?
One of them is bigger for, you know, when you put after.
What do you mean when I put these on?
Yeah. One of them is bigger than others. I don't know how it is. But
Nah, I think they're all the same size.
they're the same.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all the same size. Whew. 35. Let's make sure this got 35 in it. Hold on, yeah. Let me just check. I gotta check. Let me see. It's fine. It's fine. You know what? Let's see the frame. See if we can get it high enough from the frame. If not, I'll go from the suspension. I don't know if this is gonna be high enough. That should be high enough.
Finished.
Oh, you got them all for it. Oh, okay.
I don't have.
Oh, yeah. Well, it should be one behind the seat, behind the back seat. But you gotta get one that can lift the vehicle up like that, because some of them don't go up high enough. Like some jacks won't lift up the vehicle high enough. I know. Give me a second. All this construction going on, ruining my video. Yeah, that's stuck.